Greetings to all viewers from Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy, Dehradun. Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy is not a new name. It carries a legacy of 21 years and 14,500 selections in the armed forces, paramilitary forces, merchant navy and various other fields of all kinds. That means this has become the first choice in the country, firstly of the defence aspirants and the aspirants for merchant navy and other walks of life, including the paramilitary forces. What makes it unique is an expert methodology and hands-on learning model through which the instructions are imparted, by which the people are making their careers in various walks of life and professions, which also is backed up by a proper schooling from a CBSE affiliated prestigious school at Dehradun, and also all kind of all-round development in a kid's personality the moment he joins Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy. To carry out these activities, over a period of time, we have introduced various models, out of which the most successful model that we are running now consecutively for last 4 to 5 years is the foundation course. And these residential foundation courses start from class 6th onwards, and depending on the convenience of the parents and the student as to at which class they wish to start their foundation course, we provide one of the best platforms in the country. The infrastructure that we provide to take care of the academic activities, extracurricular activities, and the participation in games and sports other than the educational tours, and scientific and heritage sites tours that give exposure to the children and groom them into a better personality, are all part of the curriculum and the syllabus of this, which has been perfected over a period of time. Along with that, in this residential campus, you will find the highest safety standards for the kids are being maintained. And the unique thing is that almost a parental home kind of a personal care is given by the staff, and the immediate staff, that wardens, are very selective in their behavior. They have been selected over a period of time, and their experience has built up in handling the kids of this age and help them in grooming to the standards required, which are expected in the Doon Defence Academy. Training that is imparted here in the field of academics, taking care of the games and sports, extracurricular activities, are very professional, handled by the seasoned and professional experts from various walks of life, including the armed forces. Also, the discipline that is enforced on the campus and off the campus is Spartan, and there is no leeway given in that, because we find that instilling the discipline at the early age will set the foundations for a successful life later to build up, and these people will streamline into good citizens of the country. Compare our Doon Defence Academy with any of the contemporary institute in the country that is available, and for that you can go through the website and also on the various social media platforms that we are available, and make a considered comparison with a decision if you wish to avail this facility for your kid to groom into a personality which suits the career requirements of the armed forces officer or the merchant navy officer, whether in the engineering side or the deck side. And we have also added, on popular demand, the dual courses for which we prepare in 2 selective capsules. One is for NDA as well as for JEE, as well as NDA and NEET, as well as commercial pilot license, and also the merchant navy deck side and the engineering side. Also, people can get groomed into a strong personality and pursue certain other career also as per their choice, in case they have aspirations towards CA exam or any other professional exam they wish to undertake after 12th. All kinds of training, the training material, the faculty which has the experience of almost 15 years plus behind them are there, so that time is not wasted, and the pathway is already chalked out for the people to come and get trained, get groomed in a manner that it increases the chances of their selection and making it to various careers as a successful personality. A campus tour by the parents or the students is always welcome, which will give you the vibrancy probably that you are looking for your kids to stay at a campus where is overall development along with the academic preparation and preparation for the competitive exams takes place under one roof. And you will find Doon Defence Academy, or the Sandeep Sir's Doon Defence Academy, is a home that you have found away from home, and where you will meet most of your requirements under the safety net of Doon Defence Academy. Your kid or your ward will be groomed into one of the most strongest and competitive individual to get success in life. Thank you and Jai Hind.